Hey everybody, this is Dave from the Scooter Lounge. We're super excited about this new product we just got in, and here it is. The box is really beat up. It was upside down in their truck. Nevertheless, we're still really excited to show this to you. It's the Astro electric moped from a company called C3Strom. C3 stands for Class 3, so it's a Class 3 electric bike. Strom, we have no idea what it stands for. They might have misspelled the word storm. We are not sure. But ignoring the fact that the name is a little weird, this bike looks super cool. So we're gonna unbox it and we'll show it to you in just a few minutes. I'm not saying they're great, but they're way better. These look like real tools that they forgot to put the Pittsburgh Steel logo on instead of, like, you know, the cheap stamp, like they cut it out of sheet metal and it's not even really the size it says. These are chrome plated. Don't get me wrong, not great tools. The best ones I've ever seen that included this.